This video is for anyone who has an iPad with a cracked screen. A few days ago, a friend asked me whether she should pay to repair her iPad screen or buy a brand new one. After asking a few questions, I gave her a recommendation. So here's my video answer for anyone who might be in a similar situation. This advice applies equally well to iPhones and iPads. As you can imagine, depending on the specifics of your situation, the answer to whether you should repair your iPad or buy a new one is going to depend on a number of factors. Here are some questions to ask yourself. Is my iPad covered by AppleCare? If it is, you're in luck. Every iPad comes with 1 year of hardware repair coverage through its limited warranty and up to 90 days of complimentary technical support. AppleCare Plus extends your iPad's coverage and includes unlimited incidents of accidental damage protection. Each incident is subject to a service fee plus applicable taxes. You'll also get 24/7 priority access to experts by chat or by phone. To see if your iPad is covered by AppleCare, open it, tap Settings, then General. Just after the first section of information, you'll see AppleCare Plus and whether your device is covered. Tap to see coverage details. I put a link in the description to the iPad AppleCare details page, which includes a price breakdown of the incident fees and more. The next question is, how much will repairs cost me? In my friend's case, her repair would have cost around $200 US. Since we're talking about repairs, I'll mention that I recommend getting repairs directly from Apple or from an Apple authorized reseller. They use genuine parts and will not void your warranty if you have one. Some third-party device repair shops may leave your device in a state where Face ID or Touch ID no longer works. And in many cases, these third-party repair shops charge the same or even more than Apple itself. Another good question to ask is, how old is this device or what model is it? In my friend's case, she had a 4th gen iPad. This iPad was first released in November of 2012, which is almost 12 years ago. Related to this, you may want to know, what is the newest OS this device can run? If it can't run the latest OS, it may be time to consider a newer replacement. My friend's iPad can run iPadOS 10.3.3, which is 7 years behind today's current iOS or iPadOS 17. And the last question to ask is, how much is a new iPad? New base model iPads start at $349 US. The current version is the 10th gen iPad, which was first released just a year and a half ago. Apple has a track record of supporting their hardware anywhere from 5 to 7 years after its first release date. As you might have already guessed, I recommended she buy a new base model iPad. However, had her iPad been covered by AppleCare, the repair price would have been less than $100 US. And had it been capable of running the latest OS, I might have recommended differently. Drop your tech questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, and I'll see you in the next one.